Is it safe to do a do-it-yourself will services? I would say no, it is not safe, and the will has to be executed with a certain amount of formalities, and there are certain aspects of the will that you need to have the guidance of an attorney. And so I would strongly recommend not trying to do a will by yourself because it may not be effective, and that's the whole purpose of the will, is to avoid problems whenever you pass away. Strongly suggest you contact an attorney. It's really not that expensive as far as having a will prepared, as well as other estate planning documents such as living wills, healthcare surrogates, which has a HIPAA waiver, and also durable powers of attorney. So if you have any questions, give me a call at 727-847-2288.